Hello students, today I'm going to talk about the rotation and the revolution of Earth. As you all know that the Earth is a spherical planet with a flat top and a flat bottom, and we have the middle line that separates the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere, which is called the equator. Now, rotation of the Earth means the number of times the Earth roams in one day, right? And revolution of the Earth means the number of rounds that the amount of time that the Earth takes to go around the Sun. So that is how much? That's 12 months, right? And that is 365 days, or sometimes 364 days. So rotation of the Earth means the amount of time, that is in one day you have 24 hours, right? Now 24 hours is the amount of time that the Earth takes to go around, to have its own spherical movement, right? And the revolution of the Earth means the Earth moving around the Sun, which takes us another 1 year. And then we have based our calendar on that. Now, a day has 24 hours. That is the amount of time that the Earth takes to make one spin. So one spin around itself gives us morning, or let's say day and night. And the 12 months that it takes, or the 365 days that it takes to go around the Sun, gives us the seasons. So the reason why we get seasons is because it goes around the Sun. So that is called revolution. When it takes 12 months or 365 days to go around the Sun and make its full revolution, that is called the revolution of the Earth. And the day, or the difference of the day that we see every day, the amount of time that the Earth takes to go around itself to make its own spherical run, that is called rotation. So this is the rotation and the revolution of the Earth. The main difference between the two is just the amount of time that it takes. That is rotation, takes 1 day, and the revolution takes 12 months. The rotation of the Earth results in the day and night, the changing of the day and night. In 24 hours, you have a certain amount of day and a certain amount of night. And according to the seasons, you have longer days or you have shorter days. Like in the winters, we have shorter days and we have longer nights because it gets darker faster. Whereas in the summer, we get longer days and shorter nights. Now, the revolution of the Earth gives us the seasons, the different seasons that we have, which part of the hemisphere is towards the Sun or which is not. And the Earth is also tilted, okay? You have to know that it's tilted. So you do not have the seasons according to the northern hemisphere or the southern hemisphere, right? You have it according to the horizontal or the vertical half. So the northern hemisphere usually faces winter, and you have the Antarctic region and the Arctic region, which is like the extreme. It's the extremist area of the Earth because it's at the tip of the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Now, the revolution of the Earth results in the different seasons of the Earth. You have winter, autumn, summer, and the rainy season. So, revolution of the Earth results in the different parts of the world having different seasons. This northern hemisphere, and usually what happens is because of the tilt of the Earth, the sun's rays do not reach in a certain position. So when the sun's rays is reaching the northern hemisphere, the southern hemisphere is usually in the darker side. They do not have the sun towards them, so they are usually facing the winter season. Whereas when the tilt is in a certain way where the sun's rays is reaching the southern hemisphere, that time the southern hemisphere is experiencing the summer season, as you can say, and the northern hemisphere is facing the winter season. So this is how the revolution of the Earth affects the winter or the seasons of the Earth.